check. Maliit lang. Hey. Hey. Check. One. Hey. Check. Check. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Our department, ETV, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. I think yung decision nila na naniniwala silang kaya kong gawin to, that's why ginawa ko to dahil alam ko naniniwala sila sa akin. That's what made me decide to join this competition. Then, yung next.
Yung ano ba yun? Physical attribute. Ayun, yung asset. Ano sa tingin mo? Yung meron kang
I think my poise would be that. And siguro yung good heart and yung willingness din. Yun nga, enjoy the pageant, everything. Yun.
Oo nga pala, kasi nagpupukpok dyan.
Mahina.
Okay naman audio dyan. Di ba narinig yung pokpok?
Ate, pwede
Okay lang daw, okay lang daw.
Pupukpok ka na lang niya ano, parang awkward kasi sa piso mo siya inaan.
Sorry
Malakas konti. Oo, malakas konti.
Ulitin ko,
Oo.
from the start.
Oo.
Sige.
Malakas lang konti.
Dapat yata nandito sa gilid.
Ilulugay mo. Ibablower.
Oh, yung answer.
Ano sagot mo?
Ano yung sagot? Ano yung sagot? Sabihin mo yun. Sakit yung ulo ko.
Sabihin mo!
Pwede ba math na lang?
Hindi pwede. Sabihin mo ano. To make my department proud. Chorba.
Pwede yun. Sabihin ko talaga, sure ba?
Oh!
Cut mo na lang ah.
Go!
Ayun na din mga boss. Tayo baka lumabas yung libag ko ah.
Cheryl, kung pag-asa na.
Ayan.
Ang dami pag-dila, itataan mo.
Lalo na preso.
Hindi, kayang-kaya mo yan, nahiya ka lang. Ninenepit ka lang. Kaya mo yan.
Iyak nung gipong.
Sino mo na wala akong tao dito.
Oo.
Yung music. Iiyak na pag
So, umpisa lang yan, mamaya okay.
Pikit ko lang muna.
Ayan. Pwede ka naman sumagot na nakapikit. Charing!
Pikit ko lang, sabihin ko natin.
Kaya ang ganda mo pagdadaan mo lang sa nervyos.
Oh, ang galing mag-motivate.
Talagang kita ko, lakas ng loob ko kaya.
Alam mo magaling sa ganyan, kaya di ba? Sila lahat.
Ito naman bobo yung wala.
Escort.
Sa gusto magkamay sa may FIFA. Manalo. Ilang kape gusto mo sa FIFA? Sa FIFA ko siya dito.
Bumbendo.
Bento.
Pakita mong ano, kaya mo sa showbiz.
May fallback.
Si Agnes number 1.
Question.
Walang answer eh.
Lakas na loob niya, di ba? Nakasagot na eh.
Oh, may nagjo-joke na, oh.
Ganun yun. Sa una lang kasi hindi. Sa binder.
Pagkakapasa mo sa board.
Oo nga.
Kalain mo.
Kalain mo.
Talaga?
Math yun eh.
Oo.
Sabi ko, lagyan nilang
Mas mahirap kaya yung math.
Yun naman pala eh.
O, yun naman pala. Oh.
Alam, kaya ka napili kasi maganda ka. Kaya gamitin mo yan. Pakita mo na. Hindi lang sa maganda ka.
Biyak nga.
Para sa loob mo.
sing na lang.
Kasi actually, alam mo, huli naman tamo kasi
Yun nga yung sasabihin ko sa ano eh.
smoke.
Pagkatapos mo, pwede yung mag-smoke.
Ikaw yung magme-makeup doon sa kakanta na.
Pagkatapos sumagot, mag-smoke. Mag-smoke!
Ikaw nga, beer. Para masagot ko ito eh.
Mamaya.
Okay.
Oh, ina mo. Ikaw. Aray ko.
Ate, katsaka, katsurba.
Alam mo lang.
Ulitin yung number 3 question ko. Pwede mo ulitin.
Ay, sorry. Tapos na.
I dedicate.
Hindi pa, siguro.
Sige na po.
Ay, wala ka.
Ako pa uli. Gusto ko pa humabol. My answer to question number 3. My answer!
Request na si Tintin, sana ma-discover daw siya.
If I win, Binibining Kapuso 2010. Kasi gusto ko bumawi. Hindi ako masyadong satisfied sa answer ko. Ay, 2011. 2011. If I win, Binibining Kapuso 2011, I would dedicate first to God, to my family, to the entertainment TV department, to Ma'am Wilma, to all my boss, program managers, Miss Ruth, Miss Bang, Miss Cheryl, Miss JB, Miss Hazel, Miss Helen Sese, Miss Regine Alba, Miss Gigi, Miss Lilibet Razonable, Miss Cecil de Guzman,
Sir Boy.
Ma'am Avin, of course, sorry. Ay, kakat niyo dun na. Anyway, I dedicate this to all the hardworking people of Entertainment TV Department. This is all for us. Let's do this. Okay? Baka comedy, malagay niyo to sa bloopers.
Okay, doon na tayo sa tali.
Uy, lagay niyo po yung...
Tritik, hindi ako binanggit.
Ay, sorry. Audio? Hello, Audio? Audio? Are you there, Audio?
Yung audio pa nakaroon.
Audio, I'm ready, Audio.
Sige pa.
If I win the Binibining Kapuso 2011, I would dedicate this first to God, to my family, and of course, to the hardworking people of Entertainment TV Group. That's all. Thank you. Yes. I'm satisfied. Big boy, I'm satisfied na.
Okay na pa.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir David.
Hi, I'm Che. I'm from...
Yeah, man. So we back in the club with our bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. Thank God the week is done. I feel like a zombie gone back to life, back to life. Hands up, yeah, suddenly we all got our hands up. No control of my body. Ain't I seen you before? I think I remember those eyes. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. Yeah, baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. So dance like it's the last night of your life. Life won't get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. Keep downing drinks like there's no tomorrow. There's just right now. Gonna set the roof on fire. Gonna burn this motherfucker down. Hands up. When the music drops, we both put our hands up. Put your hands on my body. Swear I've seen you before. I think I remember you right. 'Cause baby, tonight, the DJ God is falling in love again. Awesome. Don't lie. You know evil, speak no evil, see no evil. Get it, baby, hope you catch that like T.O. That's how we roll. My life is a movie and you just TiVo. Mommy got me twisted like a dreadlock. She don't wrestle, but I got her in a headlock. Never do make a bedrock. Mommy on fire, red hot. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room. I'm a hustler, baby, but that you knew. And tonight is just me and you, darling. The DJ God is falling in love again. Mr. Worldwide, let's take over the world. Baby, tonight, DJ God is falling in love. Let go, fall in love. Oh, so dance, dance like it's the last night of your life. Won't get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight, DJ God is falling in love again. Yeah, baby, somebody get DJ God is falling in love again. Get your hands up. Come on. So dance, dance like it's the last night of your life. Won't get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight, the DJ God is falling in love again. Yeah. Thank you, DJ. Beautiful girl.